Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Rust launch error. Please unload AslO.sys or GVCIDrv64.sys before starting the game. It appear. Simply few methods try to this issues fix it. Before you are begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead that first step. Run as admin Rust application. So for this, go to the desktop, right click on the Rust exe application and click on the properties. Then go to the capability tab. Then select the checkbox capability mode. Below, select the checkbox run this program as administrator. Once it done, hit the apply and OK to close it. Then go to the next step. Delete asio.sys file application. So go to the file exporter, then click on the local disk C, then click on the Windows folder, double tap to open it, then scroll down, find SYS WoW 64 folder, double tap to open it, then again find drive folder, double tap to open it, then you go ahead inside, then find that SYC system file, then right click, just click on the delete. Once it delete that folder, then come to back, then restart your system. One time check it, then if this try to does not working, then go to the next step, disable Windows security. So for this, go to the your Windows search bar and type Windows security. Then you can click on the virus and that protection, then scroll down, click the manage settings. Then here, if this real time protection is turn it on, simply turn it off. After that, come to back, again relaunch the game and check it. If this try to does not working, then go to the next step, reinstall the game of the Rust application. After that, your problem definitely fix it. Then if you have any doubt, comment section go to comment, I will reply. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.